피터와 함께하는 SOS 생활영어 시간입니다. 빠바밤
Ba-da-bam.
빰바라빰빠빰.
Oh, we're at the horse races. Do you ever go to the horse races?
경마장에 가본 적이 있어요.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
About 2 or 3 times.
You know what? I used to own part of a racehorse.
정말?
Did I tell you this?
No.
No? Back when what was I in like elementary school?
내가 초등학교 다닐 때 말이에요.
Yeah. Like my father, okay, so when I was in elementary school, I think I was in 4th grade in elementary school.
제가 4학년 때였던 걸로 기억이 되는데.
A long time ago. My father and 9 of his friends.
아빠하고요. 그리고 아빠 친구 9명이
Right. They got together and and they all bought one horse.
그래가지고 이제 투자를 해갖고 말을 한 마리 샀대요.
Yeah. So I think like each of them put in maybe like 10만 원 or something.
아마 그때 돈으로 10만 원 정도씩 아마 투자를 하지 않았을까 싶은데.
So everybody puts in about $100, and then they all bought one horse.
그래갖고 말을 한 마리 사서. 그래갖고 이제 racehorse, 그러니까 경마를 하는 말.
Yeah.
경주마.
Right. So so I thought it was a really cool idea. So for one summer, no, it was like 2 summers. They had the horse, took care of the horse, took turns taking care of it, and so. I was like, wow, my father's such a cool guy. He got part of a racehorse.
야, 그때 내가 내가 초등학교 때였잖아요. 야, 우리 아버지 멋져. 와, 우리 아버지가 경주 영마를 가지고 있고.
10분의 1. 10분의 1.
비록 말이야, 10분의 1의 소유권밖에 안 갖고 있지만 그래도 어쨌든 그랬대요.
No, exactly right. So I was like, I told all my friends, and my friends were like, wow, that's an awesome idea.
친구들한테, 야, 있잖아, 야, 니네 말이야. 니네 말이 있어? 우리 아빠 말이야 경주마 있어. 자랑도 하고.
So what we did is I got my friends together. I got maybe how many was it? Like 20 or 25 of my friends together. And I was like, hey, if you give me $10, maybe we can get a horse. Right? So
친구들하고 야 있잖아 우리도 돈 모아갖고 말 한마디 한번 사올까?
Right, so let's all put in like 만 원씩.
그래 만 원씩 나왔고 그래갖고 우리도 한번.
No, so I told my father. He was like, oh, it's a great idea. So I got together all my friends and was like maybe 20, 25 of us. We all put in $10.
정말?
Yeah.
정말이에요?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
그래가지고 이제 친구들 25명 모아가지고요 $10씩 냈대요.
Yeah. So I grew up in the country, so we get pretty bored. You know,
시골에서
we do things like
사실
this.
뭐 되게 좀 지루했거든요 생활이.
Right. So I mean, it was a good investment for us actually, because we bought a racehorse.
정말 샀어요 그래서?
샀어. Yeah.
가만있어 봐 250불 갖고 뭘 사?
No, like it was maybe 250불. But then also our parents put in money as well.
부모님이 또 돈도 좀 내고 그래갖고.
So each of us we all earned the money, and then we put in $10 each, and then our parents put in more money.
You bought a racehorse. And
we bought a racehorse, and then that summer vacation,
여름방학 때
we took the horse to the races.
말을 경주에 내보내는구나.
Yep. So we had there was a jockey who would ride Mr. Beulie. That was the name of our horse.
Mr. Beulie라고 하는 사람이 이제 그 자키가 돼서 그러니까.
Right. Mr. Beulie was our horse though, the horse name.
말 이름이 Mr. Jackey고
Mr. Beulie.
Mr. Beulie고 그다음에 그 말 위에 타는 조수 있잖아요. 뭐라 그러죠? 기수.
Jockey, right. So we ended up how much did we win? We won something like over $1,000 that summer.
그 여름에 $1,000 이상을 벌었다. 참. 자, 그러면 지금부터 차에 시동이 걸리지 않아서 동료에게 도움을 요청하는 그런 대화예요. 대화 먼저 들어보시죠.
My car won't start.
What's wrong with it?
I am not sure. I think the battery is dead.
I don't have a jumper cable, but I can give you a ride to work if you're in a hurry.
남자 얘기죠. 차가 시동이 안 걸리네요.
My car won't start.
My car won't start.
My car won't start.
My car won't start. 뭐가 잘못됐길래요?
What's wrong with it?
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with it?
모르겠어요. 배터리가 다 나간 것 같아요.
I am not sure. I think the battery is dead.
I am not sure. I think the battery is dead.
I am not sure. I think the battery is dead.
배터리 연결선은 없습니다. 그런데 급하시면 제가 직장까지 제 차로 모셔다 드릴 수 있겠습니다.
I don't have a jumper cable.
네, 점퍼 케이블 하면은 그 배터리하고 배터리를 연결할 때 쓰는
선.
그 빨강색하고 이렇게 검정색이 두 개 굵은 게 되어 있는 그런 선을 점퍼 케이블 그렇게 얘기하죠. I don't have a jumper cable. 그런데 급하시면 제가 직장까지 제 차로 모셔다 드리겠습니다.
But I can give you a ride to work if you're in a hurry.
But I can give you a ride to work if you're in a hurry. 오늘 두 가지 배운 차가 시동이 안 걸리네요.
My car won't start.
My car won't start. 배터리 연결선이 없습니다.
I don't have a jumper cable.
I don't have a jumper cable. 자, 오늘 유용한 영어 표현들 한번 또 정리해 볼게요. 자동차가 도중에 고장이 났습니다.
My car broke down on the way.
My car broke down on the way. 휘발유가 다 떨어졌습니다.
I've run out of gas.
I've run out of gas. 타이어 좀 체크해 주시겠습니까?
Can you check the tires?
Can you check the tires? 견인을 해 가야만 될 것 같습니다.
I need a tow.
예, I need a tow.
I already have 10.
예. 자, 이제 오늘 대화를 다시 한번 들어보십니다.
My car won't start.
What's wrong with it?
I am not sure. I think the battery is dead.
I don't have a jumper cable, but I can give you a ride to work if you're in a hurry.